Welcome back to How to Cake It. I'm Yolanda, and today I'm caking a Spring Roses mega cake. I'm gonna cake the perfect springtime cake. I wish I had a rose to smell right now.
Yeah, why don't you?
Why don't I, Orhan? It's so hard to find a good assistant. Okay, I'm going to remove my cakes from their pans.
Alright, can you leave the frame that way?
Okay, I'm leaving. I baked 4 8-inch round cakes in a pink vanilla ombre. I'm going to level my cakes, remove the caramelization from the bottom, and then layer each one into 2 layers. Now I'd like to remove the caramelization from the sides of the cake. So I'm going to use a round cake pan that's 1 size smaller, lay it upside down on top, and cut it all away. I only want to see the beautiful pink ombre of my cake. So now I have 8 layers of cake in 4 different colors, and I'm feeling like the top layer is just not pink enough for me. I can't have that. It's not really saying springtime to me. So I'm thinking I might put these aside and work with the other 6 layers. Maybe I'll make, a little treat for Cody and Orhan. All you have to do is behave. I'm going to be flavoring my simple syrup with Rosewater, imported by my assistant from Turkey. Thank you, Orhan. Sir, why do you have this many bottles of Rosewater? What did you tell them?
Oh, they didn't see.
Did you tell them, oh, you smuggled it. Yeah. Maybe you are a good assistant. Don't come after Orhan, we need him. It's time to fill and stack my cake. Of course, I'm using Italian meringue buttercream and then sprinkle on some pink rock candy and repeat until the top. Remember, the cakes are an ombre, so start darkest, middle, light, dark, middle, light. As I fill and stack my cake, I always like to use a small offset spatula to remove the excess from the sides. This is because it helps me see if I'm lining up all my layers nice and straight. My cake is beautifully stacked, and now it's time to crumb coat and chill. Can I get a crumb coat and chill?
Crumb coat and chill.
Thank you. All right, I'm gonna use all that reserved crummy buttercream. No need to waste it. Guys, we're less than 2,000 subscribers away from the 4 million mark, and once we hit it, we're gonna scratch that! We did it! We hit 4 million, and it's all thanks to you and your support. Thank you so much, everyone here at How to Cake It. Thanks you. No, my floor is less amazing, but 4 million I'm willing to sweep. Now that we hit 4 million, as promised, we're gonna be throwing a live stream party to celebrate right here on YouTube. It'll be on March 28th at 11 a.m. EST, and at that party, you know what we're doing? We're announcing all the winners of our massive giveaway. Now, if you haven't joined this giveaway, there is still time. Do it right now. Do it right now. There's a link below and you could win KitchenAid Pro Series stand mixers, a year's worth of our sprinkle service, the cutest prize pack from Sesame Street, and a Google Home Hub set. Not only are we announcing the winners of the giveaway, but we're gonna play some games and we're gonna do some live prize giveaways.
Oh, just random?
Just random. We will see you there, and thank you so much for 4 million. Woohoo! Oh yes. Back to the episode. Okay, I did the crumb coat, and now it's time to chill. Now that my crumb coat is chilled, it's time to ice my cake. I really love a good dollop. Yes. I am going to use a bench scraper because I like straight sides and I'm addicted. It's almost my favorite time. It's almost time to decorate, but I am going to chill this cake for like 5 to 10 minutes just so that I'm not smushing the buttercream when I add my white chocolate. No smushing allowed. I'm gonna be covering my cake with frills and fans that I'm making out of white modeling chocolate. So I made some white modeling chocolate ahead of time, I let it set, and now I need to run it through this pasta attachment. It actually is supposed to make lasagna noodles. I'm just gonna run it through and lay it on trays and sheets and let it get nice and cold in the fridge. Okay, that was my final sheet. What I love about this is every time there's extra and excess that you trim away from the sides, just roll it back up, flatten it out, and put it through the machine again. The next thing I need to do is place all of these sheets in the fridge. We need this to be nice and cold so we can hold it in our hands and mold it and shape it and manipulate it.
Hey Yolanda, the roses that you want are here. Here you go.
Oh. So happy for the roses I wanted for the beginning of the video.
Yeah. Well.
Step up your assistant game, please. Now it's the time you've all been waiting for. I'm gonna use my white chocolate sheets to decorate this cake. Now I don't wanna take them all out at the same time because it's important that they're cold. Your hands are warm, keep them as cool as possible. So basically all you have to do is take a little bit of the sheet, cut yourself a piece, and carefully peel it off your mat or your parchment paper. And then what you want to do is sort of create like fans and twirls, anything you feel like. Try and hold it as little as possible. It is still chocolate and your hands are warm. So just have fun shaping and modeling your modeling chocolate. You can fan it, you can twirl it, you can roll it up, whichever way, because when it's all on the cake, it's gonna look pretty in the end. If you made a cake as tall as mine is, you probably need to add 2 layers of the modeling chocolate. So start with a bottom row, add on top, and it will just sort of fit together like a pretty frilly puzzle.
Pizza is a better gift than flowers.
True. If you think flowers are greater than pizza, then leave a flower emoji, that symbol greater than pizza. If you think pizza is greater than flowers, do the opposite. When the truth is, he should bring you flowers and a pizza. If any of your modeling chocolate is letting go, you just want to use a little bit of melted chocolate. I have white chocolate in a parchment piping bag, and then you're going to use it as glue to stick the chocolate in place. I want to add a bit of color, pretty pink, to this cake, so I'm going to paint the edges of my white chocolate ruffles with some pink luster dust mixed with food grade alcohol. Making this cake has really put me in the spring mood, and my VIPs are already in the spring mood because they saw this episode 2 days ago. If you want to see all my videos, the entire video before everyone else does on YouTube, head to howtocake.com and sign up to be a VIP. I will send it to your inbox. They got all this springtime magic in their inbox. It's Turkish delight time. I'm gonna pile this Turkish delight onto my cake. This imported, I'll say imported instead of smuggled, Orhan. Imported Turkish delight. They kind of are making me think of like pink ice cubes. I don't know why.
Oh, you're so right. They are like ice cubes.
Yeah. Watch this. How's this for a pun? Ask me if I like it.
Do you like it, Yolanda?
Yes, I'm delighted.
Nice.
See what I did there? Now I want to tie a ribbon around the base of the cake, but I need to choose a ribbon, guys. This I think is far too frilly. This is too light to me. Option 3.
Oh, I back off the cake.
Do you?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tie this ribbon around the base and tie a lovely bow. Adding leftover rock candy on top of the Turkish delight. Just a little more pink. I haven't forgotten about all the dried roses you brought from Turkey, Orhan. I'm gonna put them around the cake on the pedestal.
Yeah.
Oh, I said I'd make you guys a treat, didn't
Yeah.
I even have some modeling chocolate.
Oh, okay. I'm excited.
Okay, this is gonna be super special. Oh, I forgot the rock candy. How did I? Oh, there you go. I wanna lay me down on a bed of roses. Why are you laughing?
I'm not laughing, I'm crying.
I can't believe I got this cake slice out intact and it's standing. I need it for my photo shoot.
Are you not going to say goodbye to them, Yolanda?
Yes. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see an amazing compilation over on how to cake it step by step, click here. Cody, I need powder. I need lights. I need a fan. Okay, I'm ready.